The Archaeological Survey of India is carrying out excavation work near a temple in Dondiakhera village in Unnao district of UP on the basis of a GSI report. Preparatory arrangements have been made by SI Lucknow Circle, including preliminary survey of the area, establishing a camp office, removal of vegetation, etc. The local administration has made security arrangement. It is estimated to take a minimum of 2 to 3 weeks to reach the reported level of deposits. Reports of the preliminary investigation of the GSI was received from the Ministry of Mines on the 8th October 2013.
The ministry says the excavation will be completed in 2 to 3 weeks. The clarification comes following uproar over the ASI work at the site. And the Culture Ministry has issued a statement, and I quote from that: report of the preliminary investigations of GSI was received from the Ministry of Mines on the 8th of October. GSI reported possible non-conducting metallic contents or alloys at 5 to 20 meters below the surface. On the basis of the GSI report, it was decided by the ASI to undertake excavations at the site. ASI wants to unearth and determine the nature of the reported deposits.
स्विट्जरलैंड की बैंकों में हिंदुस्तान के चोर लुटेरों ने जो रुपये रखे हैं वो 1000 टन सोने से भी ज्यादा कीमत के हैं, वो तो पता है लो।
Do you remember when Mayawati launched an investigation into a whole bunch of bees after the bees attacked her rally? Now Uttar Pradesh is sending people to dig for gold. I mean, you know, I know we're a nation of gold diggers, but there's a limit.
And then followed some bizarre explanations by none other than the ministers themselves.
उनका हो सकता है कोई यंत्र हो, तंत्र हो, मंत्र हो, क्योंकि ये देश भारत है.
A red-faced UP government denying any involvement in the gold rush.
The state government cannot touch it. The state government of any state cannot touch it. We have no role to play in either excavating or taking a decision with regard to either digging or doing anything.
This move has put the Uttar Pradesh government in a spot, raising several questions over directing its manpower to dig gold, which was a seer's dream.
And amidst all the attention that the Unnao village is getting over the so-called buried treasure, the ASI has done an about-turn. ASI's director for exploration and excavation has denied any hidden gold in the excavation site. The ASI claims it expects to unearth a treasure trove of a once prosperous settlement.
आप खुद बहुत बड़े विशेषज्ञ हैं, आपने कई जगहों पर खुदाई की है, कई चीजें खोद के निकाली हैं. आपका क्या असेसमेंट है कि आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पर 1000 टन सोना मिलेगा?
नहीं, 1000 टन सोने का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. इसको तो आप भूल जाएं. इस तरह का सोना कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. और जो भी चीजें मिलेंगी भी हमको, वो हमारी एंटीक हैं, वो अमूल हैं. उसकी आप कोई वैल्यू नहीं कर सकते कि साहब ये इतना लाख या इतने करोड़ रुपए का है. वो तो एंटीक है, चाहे वो छोटा मिट्टी का बर्तन ही क्यों ना हो, छोटी मिट्टी की मूर्ति क्यों ना हो, वो वैल्यूबल है हमारे लिए.